डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी.
Namaskar. Dear learners, dear dancers, welcome to the session. You have joined the course Indian Aesthetics with special reference to Indian classical dance Kathak. Generally, what happens that whenever anybody talks about dance, many a times for them, classical dance, folk dance, tribal dance, all of them are the same, one and the same. Many a times, some of the viewers are clear, okay, this is classical dance and this is folk dance. But they are not clear about the various types of Indian classical dances that we discussed in few sessions back. Many a times it happens that learners and individuals are not clear about Nrita, Nritya and Natya. They feel they are the same. As I told you that Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, same. No, they are not same. In the same way, Nrita, Nritya, Natya, they are not same. So today, I'll explain you and try to give you a kind of understanding with some examples what is Nrita, Nritya and Natya. Pure dance sequences, pure dance. You would be wondering, is there anything like impure? But when I will explain Nritya and Natya, you will understand how this pure is pure. The rest of them are not impure, but in a different way, they are mixture of certain things. Pure dance sequences or compositions focusing on intricate footwork, rhythmic patterns, and movements of the body without expressive intent, that is known as Nrita. Nrita means very technical. When an artist, when a dancer presents some very technical sequences, compositions, bandishes. For example, when we talk about presenting Teen Tal, Amad, Rangmanch Pranam, maybe starting from Thaat, then Amad, Rangmanch Pranam, or maybe Salami, then Toda, Tukda, no, maybe Ladis, Gat Palta, Baat. If a performer performs all these sequences, compositions, bandis, they're very technical, highly technical, focusing a lot on very intricate, very complex, complicated footwork, a lot of spins and everything. Exactly, it goes parallel with very rhythmic padant or compositions. They're going, exactly parallel. The body moves, there are various hastaks also, there are various pad sanchalan footwork also, maybe chakkars, spins also. Everything is there. But it does not have expressive side of dance. Now you see, when I say does not have expressive side of dance, it does not mean that the dancer is not graceful. The grace is there, but expressions, when a dancer performs maybe kavit or shlok or stuti, she's more expressive, he's more expressive. So Nritya is comparatively very technical side of dancer, that is Nritya. Not Nritya, not Natya. It is Nritya. Now when we talk about Nritya, after Nritya we talk about Nritya or Nrutya. When we talk about Nritya, Nritya combines the rhythmic elements of Nritya. Now Nritya will have Nritya. Listen, my dear learners, this is Nritya, Nritya and Natya. Nritya, no expression or very less expression. Expressions are also there. They are like graceful dance. They do not communicate any emotion. So those expressions are not there. When we talk about Nritya, Nritya will have Nritya. There will be movement, there will be hand gestures, hasta mudras, there will be pad sanchalan, there will be spins also, there would be everything. But there would be added part of expression. Nritya combines the rhythmic elements of nrita with expressive gestures and facial expressions to convey particular mood. Now, ta thai thai tata a thai tata simple, that is a nrita. But when I say ta thai thai tata a thai tata ta thai tata a thai, I'm conveying some message. I'm not talking to you. Don't. I'm angry with you. So when those expressions, emotions are there, with those rhythmic pattern also, with those body movements also, it is known as nritya. Nritya, body movements, footwork, hasta sanchalan, everything, but not expressive side of dance. When we talk about nritya, the nritya, movement, hasta sanchalan, pada sanchalan, everything will be there, but expressions would be added. When we talk about natya, natya itself communicate exactly what do we mean by natya. It is a dramatic aspect of Kathak involving storytelling. The whole Kathanak story will be there. Use of the 9 rasas would be there. Those emotions will be there. And most of the time, character portrayal. Now, Draupadi Vastraharan is there, the whole dance drama. Sita Swayamvar is there, whole dance drama. Now, there are so many incident stories in Ramayana and Mahabharata. Most of the time, performers they take those stories from Ramayana and Mahabharata. With the changing of time today, when dance is Indian classical dance is trying to be more relevant, also more contemporary, also more international, also many a times the group of dancers they may take up very recent new stories and maybe whatever is around them. For example, when the incident of Nirbhaya happened, the dancers came out with storytelling, the dance drama, Natya on Nirbhaya case. Many times, whatever in contemporary society, something good happens, something bad happens. For example, recently Operation Sindoor happened. Now you say that is something about national consciousness. So the dancers have started performing on Operation Sindoor also because Sindoor word itself is very expressive, very emotionally attached to an individual. So that is Natya. I hope I'm making sense that Nritya is movement, hand gestures, body movement, footwork, very complex, intricate footwork, that is Nritya. When Nritya has added flavor of emotions, facial expressions, the dancer is more expressive. It is Nritya. And Natya will have the whole storytelling, complete story to it. That is Natya. So Nritya and Natya are, I'm sure, clear to you. Now we move to the next very two important components we have mentioned. I referred them here and there while I was discussing few previous terminologies or concepts to you. They are Lasya and Tandava. Tandav and Lasya. Lasya and Tandav. What are they? Yes, I've discussed. Tandav is every individual has masculine part within an individual and there is feminine emotions, qualities, virtues in an individual. So Tandav and Lasya in dance, in Kathak, they balance an individual. Individual should not be all anger, all veeras, or bhayanak ras. Individual is veer ras also, anger also, and smile also. That wondrous feeling of adbhuta also. Individual is a mixture of 9 bhava, 9 rasa. So Tandav is a graceful but more vigorous and masculine style of dance. Vigorous, very fast also, very jerky also, more movements. When Tandav dance is performed, it is more masculine. So the body movement, the gesture, the pauses are more manly, very, very firm, stern, and very strong, very broad. This is often associated with power and energy. Now, Lord Shiva represents the Tandav side of dance. In Jaipur Gharana, in most of the time in Parans, in Paranjuri Amads, more masculine is their Tandav part. Da ta ka tunga, da ge ding da, da den da, adetta kit da ta ka tunga, tarikatika, titikatikanada. So, lot of force is there. Dagadita katikana, nagadita katakata, datakatikin, dagadika, nagadita katada. Lot of force. Lot of force. So that's most of Tandav, masculine. There are various types of Tandav. I'm not going in detail of it because this is a certificate course, and I'm sure that later on you would be curious to know what exactly Sandhya Tandav is there, what is Uma Tandav, there is what is Ananda Tandav, and you will try to still peep into it to get more knowledge about it. So there are various types of Tandav. When we talk about Lasya, it is very graceful and feminine, very delicate, beautiful style of dance, often associated with tenderness and beauty. Shakti, Parvati, represents Lasya dance component. जमुना के घाट पर खेरे सब होरी श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन नाचत तथैया लास्य अंग अरि साची कहो मन मोहन क्यों द्रग से द्रग काहे को जोड़त हो लास्य अंग. Thought even when very beautiful delicate movements are taking place, it is lasya. In Gatnikas also, when Gungat is presented, it is lasya. When Chhed-Chhad is presented, it is lasya. When Jumar is presented, lasya. So when even bangles, rukhsar, so these rukhsar, bangles, then Chhed-Chhad, Jumar, all these Gatnikas, they are lasya. A dancer can be a good dancer when she has command over Tandav side of dance and Lasya side of dance. A dancer can be a wonderful performer when she has command over Nritya and Natya, all of them. My dear learners, be prepared. In next session, we are going to discuss elaborately about Hastamudras, hand gestures, Sanyukta Hastamudra and Asanyukta Hastamudra. Asanyukta Hastamudra with one hand, and Sanyukta Hastamudra with two hands. Be prepared. In next session, we'll be discussing about Hastamudras. Wish you all the best learning and best dancing. Thanks.
स्वाध्यायः परः